Picture this. Saturday morning, coolers in the trunk, kids in the car, you're 2 blocks from the tailgate when the school calls. Someone heard a throwaway comment and suddenly the rest of your weekend is meetings and a court date. Ever had that happen? It's instant panic and often avoidable.
Welcome to Danny's Den. Let's chat.
In about 10 minutes, I want to give you something you can actually use. 3 everyday traps parents walk into. Why those tiny moments matter in custody and relationships, and simple fixes you can do this week so that tailgate and your weekends don't disappear. You know those offhand confessions? The ones you make when you're tired or trying to be honest with a friend. I haven't slept. I've had a drink most nights. Or I was high last weekend. Those lines travel. A judge reading a report doesn't get your tone. It becomes text on a page, and your co-parent hears it as proof. If you catch yourself having said something like that, don't spiral. Reframe it fast and honestly. Try, I misspoke earlier. That wasn't accurate. I'm getting support and I'm focused on being fully present for the kids. Short, clear, action-focused. If the remark reached a school counselor or social worker, call them. Say exactly that. You misspoke. Here's what you're doing, and you want to make sure the kids are safe and stable. Keep it factual and solution-oriented. Volunteers don't help here.
Another quick trap is your digital footprint. The posts, tags, and photos that outlive the moment. A location tag at midnight. A cropped photo that accidentally shows a party. Or a kid's boomerang with an adult drink in hand. These become screenshots and metadata investigators look at later.
Practical rule of thumb, assume everything is public. Turn off automatic location tags, tighten privacy on accounts, and make a family rule. If a photo shows alcohol, late night scenes, or anything private, it stays on the device until a parent reviews it. Teach kids with an age-appropriate line. We check pictures before we post. Quick, what if the other parent already screenshotted it? If it's already out, first, don't escalate. Screenshot the original post for your records. Then follow 3 steps. Correct the record if needed. Document who saw it and when. And ask for a private conversation about fixing the kid's routine. Tone matters. You want solutions, not a public fight. And then there are recordings and forwarded messages. Things that can weaponize a fight overnight. Whether a recording was lawful where you live or not, pushing it into group chats amplifies harm and feeds distrust. Trust unravels faster when someone feels ambushed. If a nasty message hits your phone, pause. Literally take 2 minutes. Wait. Count breaths. Emotion-driven replies become evidence of motive and escalation. Then send 1 short, neutral line if you must. I received this. I will respond after I consult with my attorney and the kids' counselor. That buys space and avoids playing into the drama. When the worst happens, a school calls about a concern, there's an arrest, or an ugly thread surfaces, move through a simple triage. First, write it down. Date, time, who called, what exactly was said. Second, preserve originals. Don't crop or edit files. Archive the originals. Screenshots help, but keep the source intact. Third, contact your attorney and, where necessary, be cooperative with authorities while prioritizing the kids' routines. Quick note, this is practical guidance, not legal advice. Laws on recordings, mandatory reporting, and custody differ by place. For anything specific, check with a local attorney. Everything here ties back to routine. Whether it's Sunday Yankees Day or an Eagles tailgate, those rituals keep kids grounded. If custody starts to fray around weekends, prioritize the child's stability. Offer concrete swaps. I can do Saturday morning this week and Sunday next, which keeps practices consistent. Small trades beat last-minute chaos. If one parent owns the morning ritual and the other likes the afternoon game, split the day instead of fighting it. Predictability is persuasive in court too. Judges notice steady routines more than dramatic one-off events. And when tempers spike, music helps. A calm R&B track,
changes the room.
Okay, 10 seconds. 3 things to do after you finish this episode. Fix the record quickly. I misspoke earlier. That wasn't accurate. Here's what I'm doing about it. Short, honest, and action-oriented. Lock down your digital trail. Turn off location, tighten privacy, and tell kids no posts from game day until we review them. Make that a household rule. Pause before forwarding or replying. Breathe 2 minutes, then send one short, neutral line. Or don't send anything at all. Silence often serves you better than a hot response.
If any of this is happening to you right now and you're overwhelmed, take 2 deep breaths. If there are safety concerns, contact authorities first, and then talk to a local attorney. For non-emergency custody questions, a short consult will tell you what steps to prioritize. If this episode helped, subscribe to Danny's Den so you don't miss practical breakdowns on law, love, sports, and pop culture. For deeper legal help, check the show notes to book a free 30-minute consultation. One last tiny parenting tip. Before a tense handoff, set a 5-minute phone-free window to check in and recenter. Then play 5 minutes of mellow music. It signals a reset to everyone. All right, let's chat.